Let's see. Let's do the second to last of my picks. A new song by Avalanche Effect, who I think isn't that big of a band, but all of the songs they released recently have been absolute bangers. So I have pretty high hopes for this one. Really good metalcore band from Germany. So let's check it out. Already a very epic melodic intro. Alright, I don't think he did that in previous songs. Kind of like rap vocals. I'm digging it though. Even though so far it's not super heavy, everything about this song sounds so good. The cleans, the rap vocals, production quality. Still feeling at some point this is gonna get heavier. Yep. This is definitely one of the best recent metalcore bands I discovered. Hello, cool Beatlem. Welcome to the stream. Another now, yeah. Coincidentally, a band from my country, who I've actually seen live at the festival 3 weeks ago. Very good band. Before I Turn is pretty good as well. But this band can make a bad song. Yeah, even though most of the song was a little more chill than, of course there was the huge breakdown. But cleans, the rap vocals were refreshing as well. This was a very good song. Straight to my playlist with you.